These feature-packed hinges have three-dimensional adjustment, side, depth, and height of door, plus a soft close speed control. The two-stage closing force control limits door rebound to provide longer hinge life, and the soft close activates even at small opening angles. With effortless opening and a smooth closing action, a comfortable feel is guaranteed. The new Anyway Snap-On attachment technique is quick and convenient. Not only is the efficiency of door attachment improved, but the connection between the hinge and mounting plate is stronger. The Anyway Snap-On feature is particularly useful on tall doors with multiple hinges. The hinges are subjected to industry-standard salt spray testing and pass at 48 hours. They even pass the tougher acid salt spray test at 30 hours.